talk like vice and gambling. Hold on, my dude.
This is my luck, man, I swear. Gotta drive in this weather. Alright, we are approaching the shop. That was a thrilling ride. Couldn't video it because it was kind of crazy. Getting blown around, everything. But we'll see. We're almost there. Made it. Here we go. Well, that's right. Driving the car back home because it didn't happen this weekend. So that was a waste of time and everything. My mechanic, I guess, didn't have time to do it. So now I gotta wait till next weekend. But anyways, it sucks. What am I gonna do? Alright, bye.